Benjamin Franklin once said, "By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail." Let that sink in as we dive into today's episode. Welcome back to Prepping for Tomorrow. Our world is teetering on the brink of unpredictability with unsettling political incidents and unforeseen calamities. The time to prepare is now. Today, we're going to explore 12 essential items that you might not have thought about, but they could be game changers during emergencies or unexpected situations. From heating solutions to power sources, food storage to navigation help, we've got you covered. Remember, preparedness isn't about paranoia, it's about securing peace of mind. So, whether you're a seasoned prepper or just beginning to think about how to safeguard your future, this list is for you. So, without further ado, let's get started on the list of 12 must-have items every prepper needs now. First on our list is a portable heater. Now, this isn't your grandma's old space heater. This is a modern, efficient, and safe heating solution that's perfect for those chilly nights when the power's out. Its compact size makes it easy to move from room to room, and it runs on propane, so you don't have to worry about having electricity. Plus, it can be adapted for larger canisters if you want to keep it running longer. And let's not forget about safety. These heaters are designed to automatically shut off if they tip over or if oxygen levels get too low. So not only will you be toasty warm, but you'll also have peace of mind. And the best part? You can use it to heat up those frozen burritos in a jiffy. Next up, we have the flat-top griddle. It's not just for pancakes anymore. This humble kitchen tool is a prepper's best friend. The flat-top griddle, such as the acclaimed Blackstone, is a marvel of versatility. It's not only efficient but also safe. With proper ventilation, it's ideal for indoor use, allowing you to boil water, cook meals, or even fry up some bacon without giving away your location with cooking smells. But the flat-top griddle isn't just about discretion. It's also about power. In a world where resources are scarce, efficiency is key. This griddle provides an even heat distribution, ensuring your meals are cooked perfectly every time. Plus, it's durable and easy to clean, making it a reliable choice for long-term situations. Who knew you could become a gourmet chef during a power outage? So when it comes to prepping, make sure you're not just surviving, but thriving with the griddle of champions. Third on our list is a portable generator. It's like having your own personal power plant, allowing you to keep your essential devices running even when the power grid fails. Imagine being able to light up your shelter, cook your meals, or charge your communication devices without relying on the local power supply. Portable generators are versatile and come in various sizes, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. They're also affordable, making them a wise investment for any prepper. A standout feature is their stealth operation. Unlike their larger counterparts, small portable generators operate quietly, keeping your activities discreet. No need to worry about attracting unwanted attention. They're the perfect companion for those seeking to maintain a low profile during times of crisis. So, the next time there's a blackout, you'll be the only one on the block with a fully charged phone. Next up, we have the ferro rod fire starter. Who said playing with fire couldn't be safe? Now, this isn't your grandfather's flint and steel. A ferrocerium rod, or ferro rod, is the modern prepper's best friend when it comes to starting fires. Unlike traditional lighters or matches, ferro rods laugh in the face of moisture. Rain, snow, or a clumsy spill from your water bottle? No problem. Your ferro rod will work reliably in wet, cold, and windy conditions. This is a critical tool for any prepper or outdoor enthusiast. And let's not forget about the long term. Ferro rods have a significantly longer lifespan than a box of matches or a lighter. They're compact, durable, and let's face it, there's something deeply satisfying about striking sparks into a roaring flame. So, if you're ever stuck in the rain, you can still have a hot cup of cocoa. Next, we have solar lanterns, because candles are so last century. Solar lanterns are the unsung heroes of the prepping world. They provide a simple, renewable source of light that's invaluable when the power's out. With their ability to charge during the day and illuminate the darkness for hours after sunset, these lanterns are an essential addition to your prepping kit. But the benefits don't stop there. Solar lanterns are a stealthy option for those who want to keep a low profile. Their soft glow won't draw attention like a traditional flashlight might. Plus, they're portable and lightweight, making them ideal for on-the-go scenarios. Perhaps the most appealing aspect of solar lanterns is their independence from electricity. No power? No problem. Just leave them in the sun during the day, and you'll have a reliable light source come nightfall. And the best part? You'll never have to worry about finding matches again. Next on our list is a portable power station. It's like having your own personal power plant right in the palm of your hand. This little marvel is a real game changer. It's silent, efficient, and what makes it even cooler? It can be recharged by solar power. That's right, folks, the sun's rays are all you need to keep this baby humming. With a portable power station, you can keep critical electronics running without drawing attention. You know, those life-saving devices like radios, medical equipment, or even your coffee maker if you're like me and consider caffeine a survival necessity. No noise, no fumes, just clean, renewable energy. And the best part? It's compact and portable. Whether you're bugging in or bugging out, this power station has got your back. So the next time there's a blackout, you'll be the only one on the block with a fully charged phone. Now how's that for powering up? Next up, we have a freeze dryer. Because canned goods are so 20th century, right? A freeze dryer is your ticket to long-term food storage that maintains taste and nutrition. Imagine preserving your homegrown fruits and vegetables or your favorite 5-course meal. The best part, it'll taste just as delicious years from now. Unlike dehydrating, freeze-drying keeps the food structure intact, so your strawberries won't end up looking like raisins. Plus, it's not just for fruits and veggies. You can freeze dry meat, pasta, cheese, even ice cream. Yes, ice cream. And let's not forget the practicality. The food is lightweight, easy to store, and simple to rehydrate. Just add water and voila, dinner is served. And in case you're wondering, yes, freeze-dried food can last for up to 25 years if stored properly. Now that's what I call a sustainable pantry. Who knew you could have a 5-star meal during a power outage? Next on our list is a water filter straw. It's like having your own personal water treatment plant. And you all know the importance of water, right? You can live weeks without food, but only days without water. This little tool delivers a big punch when it comes to survival. The water filter straw is a game changer. It's compact, lightweight, and can be carried anywhere. It can purify up to 1,000 liters of water, removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and even microplastics. Just imagine you're stuck in the wilderness and you come across a water source. It could be a stream or a puddle. With your trusty water filter straw, you can drink directly from it, without fear of contamination. This straw will be your lifeline in situations where carrying large amounts of water isn't feasible. So the next time you're stuck in the wilderness, you won't have to worry about dehydration. Next up, we have a manual can opener because electric can openers are so unreliable. Now, you might find this amusing, but let's think about it. In a world without power, this simple tool becomes your ticket to a feast. It's all about having control over your food supply, even when the world is turning upside down. A manual can opener is durable and doesn't depend on electricity. That means it's ready to work when you are, no matter the circumstances. It's also compact and lightweight, so it won't take up much space in your bug-out bag or storage. And let's not forget, using a manual can opener can be a bit of an arm workout. You'll be building those biceps while gaining access to your canned goods. So don't overlook this simple tool. It's a small investment for a big return in self-reliance and peace of mind. Who knew opening a can of beans could be so satisfying? Next on our list is an emergency radio, because staying informed is key. Now you may be thinking, a radio in this day and age? But hear me out. An emergency radio is not just any old transistor. This little device could be your lifeline in a crisis. With the ability to be powered by hand crank or solar energy, it provides a reliable source of news and updates when all else fails. And trust me, in a disaster scenario, the internet might not be your best friend. Emergency radios are designed to receive a range of channels, including weather and emergency broadcast networks, meaning you won't be left in the dark. With many models including features like built-in flashlights, USB charging ports, and even sirens, it's more than just a radio, it's a multi-purpose survival tool. So the next time there's a disaster, you'll be the first to know. Next up, we have Mylar sleeping bags, because comfort is key even in the toughest of times. These aren't your regular sleeping bags, folks. They're lightweight, compact, and the perfect addition to your bug-out bag. But that's not all. These bags are designed with a special material called Mylar. This magic stuff reflects back your body heat, turning your bag into a cozy, warm cocoon. Think of it as a personal space heater that doesn't need power. Now you might be thinking, but it's just a sleeping bag. Well, think again. In cold environments, maintaining body heat is crucial. Hypothermia is no joke, and these Mylar sleeping bags could very well be a lifesaver. Plus, they're reusable, durable. And did we mention they could fit in the palm of your hand? So, when the going gets tough, the tough get comfy. Who knew you could sleep so comfortably during a disaster? Last but not least, we have a fire extinguisher, because safety is key, right? Now you might be thinking, a fire extinguisher, really? But let's not forget that when you're using alternative cooking methods or heating solutions, the risk of fire can increase significantly, and in a survival situation, a small fire can quickly turn into a large problem. A fire extinguisher is a proactive way to ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing you're prepared to handle a fire should one break out. It's like having your own personal firefighter ready at a moment's notice. And who doesn't want that? But remember, not all fire extinguishers are created equal. Make sure to choose one that is suitable for various types of fires, from paper and wood to electrical and grease fires, so the next time there's a fire, you'll be the first to put it out. And there you have it, folks, the 12 must-have items every prepper needs now, from the cozy warmth of a portable heater to the life-saving power of a personal water filter straw. These are the essentials you'll want in your arsenal. Don't forget the utility of a flat-top griddle for cooking up a storm or a freeze dryer to preserve your food for lean times. With a portable power station, you can keep your gadgets running, while a robust manual can opener ensures access to canned goods. Tune into the latest updates with an emergency radio, and when it's time to rest, a Mylar sleeping bag will keep you snug. And of course, safety first with a handy fire extinguisher. These items, while varied, all serve a critical purpose for any serious prepper. Remember, preparation is key, so stay safe and keep prepping.